Division Superintendent Dr. Loida P. Adornado CESO 6, represented by our Education Program Supervisor Ma'am Clemencia G. Paduga, our highly respected Public District Supervisor Sir Daniel T. Belleza, our erudite School Principal Sir Andrew I. Undang, honored guests, the ever-dedicated members of the faculty, proud parents, and most especially my fellow graduates. A warm morning to all of you. It is my honor to welcome each one of you to our graduation day. Today marks a significant milestone in our lives. After years of hard work, sleepless nights, challenges, and unforgettable memories, we are finally here. Our graduation, the moment we've all been waiting and praying for. As grade 12 students, our journey was never easy. We experienced stressful deadlines, group works that tested our patience, and exams that pushed us to our limits. There were moments of doubt, pressure, and times when we questioned ourselves. Yet, despite all these struggles, we chose to continue. As St. Peter Canisius once said, "If you have too much to do, with God's help, you will find a way to do it all." This quote perfectly reflects our journey, because through faith, perseverance, and determination, we made it to this day. Along with these challenges came a beautiful memories, laughing with friends during breaks, cramming together before deadlines, supporting each other during tough times, and celebrating even the smallest victories. These are the moments that made our journey more meaningful. Of course, none of this would be possible without the people who stood by me through thick and thin. First and foremost, I want to thank God, whose grace has carried me every step of the way. To my family, to my Mommy Annabelle, Papa Mon, and Mama, thank you for being my rock, my support system, and my safe haven. Every milestone I reach is just as much yours as it is mine. To my siblings, friends, and classmates, thank you for being my #1 cheerleaders and for the love that never wavers. As we move forward to the next chapter of our lives, may we carry with us not only our dreams, but also the lessons and memories that shape who we are today. Once again, congratulations to the class of 2026. This is not the end, but the beginning of something greater. Thank you and welcome to Dumaran Mainland National High School.